Hello, my gorgeous people, my beautiful lovelies, and today we are here to make rice with smoky bacon and sausage. I told you I ain't playing no games, honey. When I come to cook, I come to cook. And my loves, we have our ingredients here. I have some Italian sausage. This is mild. I couldn't find no hot, which I love. Then I have some rice, okay? We have some sliced onions. We have some Sazon. This is the one with culantro y achiote. That's the one that makes it yellow, so we're going to use that for coloring. Have some red pepper flakes. Complete seasoning. I have garlic powder. Fresh garlic is good. I didn't have none though. Alright. I have some black pepper. I have some chicken bouillon flavoring here. And I have some mojo. This is optional. I didn't have no green season, but this is good because it's citrusy and it has a lot of herbs and garlic and all that other good stuff. It's good to marinate with it too. Okay, I have some peas left over from the other day when I was cooking something. All right, so I'm gonna add some peas. I like adding peas in my food. I like the color and that the little sweetness that it adds in the undertone of whatever you're cooking. You know, I even like adding peas in my potato salad. We have some oil and we have some applewood smoked bacon. So my loves, we are cutting up our sausage, all right, into bite-sized pieces. And my loves, the ingredients are listed in the description box below. I'm cutting up my sausage, okay? And you know, this is like one of those one pot kind of meals. Not only does it stretch, it's easy, it's straight to the point. You know, you have your meat, your which is your proteins, your carbs, the peas. You could add any other vegetables in here like string beans, mixed vegetables, what have you. And you have one complete meal. Okay, hassle-free. Now we're adding up, cutting up some applewood smoked bacon, whatever bacon you want. You could use turkey bacon, what have you. Okay, now I got my hot pot, and which is on medium-high heat, and I'm adding my bacon because I want to cook this bacon, allow that the fat from it, because that is going to add beautiful smoky flavor to our rice. Okay, so and I just love bacon. That bacon fat, let me tell you, it's the move, baby. So now we are going to add our sausage to that as well. Okay, and it's about what you have in your home, people. It's about what you have in your home. We're working, we got things to do, and making a meal like this is cost efficient. It's not stressful, and it stretches. It's one of those kinds of foods that could feed a large crowd. That's what I love about it, okay? Packed with flavor. Packed with flavor. So we're just sauteing our meat here, okay? Browning that sausage in there. In some of the fat that the bacon had rendered. I'm going to add a little bit more fat in here, guys, because I have to add some other things like onions and stuff. And it's not like the bacon gave away so much fat, because I didn't add like tons of bacon, but it did bring out some fat, but not a lot. So I'm going to add more to that because I got to add some onions, which we need some fat for. Okay, now we got this browning, as you can see, which is our bacon, our sausage. I didn't have no fresh garlic. All right, so garlic powder is just as good. But no lies, I'm lying to you. I like my fresh garlic. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a lie. All right, but I just didn't have it, so I used what I have. Now I'm adding my sliced onions. All right, and you can add other vegetables in here too. You can add some sliced up carrots in here. If you have some celery, go ahead. And I'm adding my garlic powder, because right now we're just building up the flavor in our pot. Okay, you want to add string beans, go ahead. This is your dish, you know. I'm just giving you the basics here, and you could play with it from there, you know, because, you know, things are rough. Money's tight. I get it. Now we're adding our Sazon. This is not only just going to add flavor, but it's going to add color to it as well. Okay. I'm adding my black pepper. We're getting everything sizzled up in that fat. And of course, that's just going to bring out and intensify those flavors. We're adding some dried herbs. Okay, if you have like Italian seasoning, oregano, I don't know, whatever works. We're adding some complete seasoning and some chicken bouillon flavoring powder. Okay, we're going to toss that nicely. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more of my Sazon here. Just want to get a nice cute little yellow color in my rice. And now we're going to add our water, okay? And I'm going to add my mojo seasoning because that has a lot of flavor. It's citrusy, has peppers and all that other stuff. Garlic, you know, anywhere I could borrow flavor from. I didn't have no green seasoning at hand, so I said, let me use this too. It's about being creative and not being afraid to take chances, okay? And we're going to let that water come to a boil. If you have chicken stock, go ahead, add chicken stock. Now I'm going to clean my rice. I don't play that because rice is handled by so many people. And I remember years ago, they were like, no, don't rinse your rice because you don't want to rinse out the nutrients. I don't care about all that. We're going to rinse this rice about 3 to 4 times until the water is not as cloudy and chalky looking. And keep in mind, this is coming from the manufacturer's company. It's being handled by different hands. So now, guys, I'm adding some red pepper flakes, letting our water come up to a boil. And now we're going to add our rice. And as you can see, guys, the rice is a mound. It acts like a mound over the water, and that's what you want because I like my rice grainy. I don't like sticky, mushy rice. No, that's not me. I like my rice grainy. So for something like this, if you're making 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of water, or 1 to 1 half cup of water, okay? 1.5 cups of water to 2 cups of rice, but I use 1 cup of water to 2 cups of rice. So you know, because you want that rice to be nice and grainy. And I have this on high heat right now, and I'm just covering it, okay? And I'm going to check on it like every other minute, okay? Every other 2 minutes, okay? So now you can see the water is rolling here. And as the water starts to decrease, that's when you start lowering down your heat, okay? Taste your water, guys. Taste to see if it has enough salt. Okay, so as you can see, the water is lessening now, and now we're bringing it down to a medium-low heat. And then at this point now, when I really can't see the water, I'm gonna bring it out to low heat, okay? Now I'm going to add my peas in last, okay? I just love the hint of the peas for color. You don't have to add, if you want to have mixed vegetables, add mixed vegetables. You could add, I don't know, if you want to add broccoli, I don't know, do you? String beans, do you? Okay? So now I'm just going to give this rice a nice little turn here. All right. And we got this on low heat, all right? And now I'm gonna cover my pot here. I'm gonna put aluminum foil. You don't have to do this. I do this because it ensures me that heat's getting really trapped in there to cook our rice better, okay? And I'm putting on my lid, 20 minutes, walk away. About 20 to 25 minutes, guys, for your rice to cook. Walk away. Just walk away for 20 to 25 minutes. And when you come back, we're gonna check up on our rice here. All right, this is about 20 minutes. All right, and as you can see, I'm using like a cutting motion just to fluff up the rice, okay? And don't be afraid to take some of that rice. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna take some of that rice and put it in my hand, and I'm gonna taste it to see if it's cooked. All right, and my loves, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you could be alerted every time I put up new recipes. Don't forget to like and share. Now I'm just gonna put the lid back on, cook it for 5 more minutes. All right, and this is our rice, okay? And don't forget to just let everybody know about Jackie's cooking, okay? And share it. Let everybody know that I exist. Jackie's cooking is here, baby. All right, so our rice is cooked, and now I am going to plate this. All right, this is for my husband here. I'm not gonna eat but so much, you know, guys. So I'm just plating this beautiful plate here for him. All right. And this is our beautiful rice, guys. This is our beautiful rice. This is our beautiful rice, guys. All right. And guys, I need you to do 3 things for me. And that's eat, love, and pray. See you next time.